Good? Yes. And so today we're going to talk about this psychological phenomenon that's called the anchoring effect. And the anchoring effect is this tendency for people to rely heavily on the first piece of information that they receive when they're making all of the rest of their decisions. So they anchor to the first piece of information and then make decisions off of that very first thing that they got.
Marami na palang nangingitlog
I'm going to give you many examples of how this works today, but the effect can significantly influence people's judgment of just the world. It can influence
kasi
the behavior,
pagka puro
all of that.
taba ang
And
manok,
so we're going to talk about
wala
these
yan. Hindi yan mapipisa ng
psychological
maganda. Kalalaki ng
mechanisms
itlog
that are
mo.
behind this anchoring effect and
Tapos may
how
ano
it
pa
impacts
nabalot
your
ng ano
decision
dumi.
making in the ways in which
na yun mapipisa.
it can be mitigated in other ways as well. And so the anchoring effect was first
ganda nung-
identified
ano to, pabo
by
niya?
two
Dito na yung
psychologists
pabo
in the
niya.
1970s. They found that people tend to anchor to the
ganda-ganda
first piece
mo
of
naman.
information they receive and then adjust their
Ito
judgment
ayong.
from then on
Ay,
based
dapat
off of
ito
this
ang
anchor.
ano.
Rather than considering all of the
Napakawalan.
information in isolation,
Tapos-
they literally just anchor to the first piece of information and then all
Tapos
of the
pag
rest
may
of the decisions
naglilimlim ng
tend
mga
to come from
native,
that one
yung
first
itlog
piece of
noon,
information.
dapat
And so the
masabayan
phenomenon
ninyo yung
is believed
pangingitlog
to
na
be
yan,
a result
masasabayan
of
yung
the way in
pangingitlog
which
doon.
the human
I-ano
brain
nyo, i-mix.
tends to just process information.
Yan. Ganyan ang
And so this
ginagawa
is
ni kuya
why
mo.
first impressions
Oh.
are
Hi!
actually
Ano to?
really important. Like they really do
Saan
matter.
to galing? May itlog na sila? Wala pa.
6 months down the
Ah,
road,
maliliit
someone
pa.
could be this amazing
Gaganda naman
person,
ng mga...
but you can't think like you could be around them, and then your
Ay, ito.
friend who met them 6 months ago
Ay,
had
ito
this
yung bahay
bad
ng
first
bibi. Wala pa ba
impression.
silang
And even though
itlog?
the past 6 months, this person has just been showing themselves to be a good person and nothing wrong with them.
Oo, hindi
Your
pa
friend
yun nga. Ang ganda
still anchors to
naman.
the first impression, and they talk
Ang
about
ganda
why
ng
they don't
ginawa
like them.
ninyo.
It's because of the anchoring effect.
Ay, yung bengala na dalawa nandun. Oh. Si kuya mo, ang dami niyang nakukuha ang itlog ng ano, ng tatlong bibi niya. Ang dami nang nakukuha. Ayun, yung pabo. Pabo ba yung gansa? Oo. Ganda naman na. Wala naman ng ano. Ang laki-laki naman ni Brahma. Oh. Ang ganda-ganda ng kulay niya. Oh. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Alin to? Ay, malalaki manok yan. Ay, kalalaki na nila. Ano? Sisiw pa lang yan dati. Anyang babae?
Lalaki po yan, yung babae po yung dalawang ganyan.
Mm.